G'day guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a Coopers Mexican Cerveza. Now I've done these before, one actually, about 3 years ago. G'day guys, welcome to my channel. If you like extract brewing, I have a Coopers Mexican Cerveza brew extract that I'm about to do. G'day guys, welcome back. I'm just doing a quick tasting today on one of my brews. I did a Mexican Cerveza probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe 5 to 6 weeks ago, something like that. It is ready to drink and it's looking brilliant. I'll show you. That's it there. Now I'm recording this on my phone at the moment. It looks like a commercial beer. I mean, seriously, that is a nice looking beer. It smells pretty good. It smells like brew, or beer, of course. And I have tried this a couple of times and thought this is actually quite good. This Mexican Cerveza I did thinking I'm gonna stuff it up because the first brew I did basically was a Mexican Cerveza and it turned out terrible because I'm just not very good at stuff like that sometimes. This one, my friends, really does look great. It's lovely and clear, as you can tell. It's got nice carbonation through it and it smells exceptional. It smells really good. No big hoppy scents or anything like that, but it does have a good smell to it. It tastes great. It's just perfect. There's no real bitterness in it. Got a fruity flavour to it. It's ice cold. Sorry. Thing is a fairly light, nice fruit flavour. Nothing serious, nothing bad. Pretty good, really. I'm absolutely not complaining. The smell is good. It is exceptional to drink. Very, very refreshing. This is one I am very, very happy with. I see my phone. So as I move, I've got a phone on a gimbal at the moment, which I had for a while. It tends to lose me, so that's why I haven't used it at all for a long time, and I've been trying to get it to work again. So this is a real test for that. So look, it's fun. I'm just doing it for a bit of fun. It does lose me, so it's getting. Oh, look, I popped down. I think it's following. Hello. It's awesome. It's just watching what I'm doing. Anyway, back to it. I thought I'd better give you guys a follow up on this beer. Today is my normal, like a home brew Friday, but I haven't got a brew to show you. I have one coming though. I've got a wine one coming as well. Another one. So I thought I'd share this with you because I am very proud of this beer. It is a really nice flavoured beer. And this is straight from the extract. I used the yeast that was provided and I threw in dextrose. That's all I did. The alcohol percentage is 4.7%, and it's just so refreshing to drink. It is like a... Why are you going all over the place? You following my face? You lost me. Oh, it's lost me. It's following the beer now, look. How cool is that? So anyway, definitely a nice flavoured beer. I recommend it for you. It's a Coopers Mexican Cerveza, an extract. I'll put a link to it down in the description here. And cheers guys, have a great one. We'll see you in the next one. I'm sorry this is a short video today. I hope I don't get drunk on this. It's too good to drink. Anyway. Oh, it's icy cold. Beautiful.